Today we're unboxing the Otik Translator earbuds. Check out this packaging. Super clean, minimalistic design. Slide it open. Everything's laid out, nice and neat. We've got a detailed user manual. It covers everything, from the hardware specs of the earbuds, to a step-by-step guide on how to download and use the translation app. And there's quality certificate. Then the earbuds. It feels premium, matte finish, really smooth to the touch. Definitely not your average plastic case. Inside, you've got the built-in air over the earbud lid, soft liquid silicone hooks, super flexible, super comfy. These are designed to stay on without squeezing your ears. These hooks are like butter. Each earbud is built with 3 speakers to make sure your audio is crisp, clear, and rich. That's the first look. Premium design, comfy fit, and solid sound